Welcome, lovely ladies and stunning women, to my YouTube channel. In this exciting video, you are about to embark on a journey filled with captivating long to short hairstyle transformations and an abundance of stunning short hairstyles. Get ready for a ton of inspiration as you bring you over 100 great ideas in this exclusive showcase. So, dear viewers, I strongly encourage you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the visual fest that awaits you. But before we dive in, let me extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for your continued support. Your presence here means a lot to me as we begin this exciting adventure. So I request you to stay tuned till the end of this video. In doing so, you will discover a treasure trove of hair-related wonders and witness mind-blowing transformations that will leave you in a way. Remember to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell icon, making sure you don't miss a single moment of the magic we create. Join our family and let's embark on this amazing journey. Now let's delve into the world of remarkable hair transformations. One of the most notable aspects of this video is the fascinating variety of transformations and color combinations. Prepare to be enchanted by the perfect combination of shades and the stunning effects they have on hairstyles. Gold-colored pixie haircuts radiate a warm and elegant atmosphere, while the interplay of black and brown tones add depth and dimension, captivating the eye with its creativity. These color combinations incorporate the limitless possibilities and creativity that can be achieved with a pixie cut, allowing you to express their unique personalities through their hair. However, it's not just the color transformations that will leave you in a way. The cutting techniques shown in this video are just as fascinating, from the elegant movement of the scissors to the precision of the machine cut. The skilled hairdressers featured in this video show off their expertise with flair and ability. Each haircut is a testament to their ability as they effortlessly sculpt and shape hair into stunning works of art. In the video's description, you will find appropriate links to the Instagram files of these talented hairdressers. Featured in this video, where you can witness their creativity firsthand. Remember, this video is for entertainment purpose only, and the haircuts featured are intended to inspire your own unique style. Your support is invaluable to us, and we are extremely grateful for every subscriber. By subscribing to our channel and activating the bell icon, you become an integral part of our community. Your opinions, comments, and suggestions fuel our creativity and inspire us to bring you even more exciting content. We are here to serve you, our viewers. Your commitment means a lot to us. Please take a moment to let us know in the comment box which transformations and styles we sound you with the most. Your feedback helps us tailor our content to your preferences, making sure we continue to bring you the hairstyles and transformations you want. In conclusion, I want to express my deepest appreciation for your unwavering support and dedication. Your presence here has allowed us to grow and go well, and we are committed to delivering the best content possible. Thank you so much for joining us on this exciting journey of hair exploration and transformation. Remember to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more captivating videos showcasing the latest trends and amazing transformations from all of us. Thank you for being a part of our family, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to like this video. Once again, thank you so much for watching and being a part of this amazing and enchanting experience. Until next time, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly, and keep watching my videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.